Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can activate call waiting feature on Android phone. Alright guys, first of all, you have to open your phone application on your Android phone, and this is my phone application, so just tap on it, and after that we can click on this three dots button on the top right corner of our screen. Then just click on settings option, then you can scroll down until you find supplementary services, and it's over here, so just click on it. Then if you want to activate the call waiting feature, we just need to click on the toggle button. But before you click on the toggle button, you have to select the SIM card that you want to activate the call waiting feature. And for example, I'm going to activate the call waiting feature for SIM2. So I'm clicking on this toggle button, but wait guys. Okay, just click on this toggle button. Then after that, the call waiting feature will be activated. Alright, and this call waiting feature will allow you to go back and forth but when to call. So when you're in a call with someone, then you get another call, you will have option to hold your first call, then you can pick up the second call. Okay guys, and that's how we can activate the call waiting feature on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.